to our living room. Today we have shifted the whole shoot over here because the kitchen is very gloomy because of the rainy season out there. So this is the only place where we can get proper light. So today's menu is going to be very special because today is Selena Gomez's birthday, which is a very special day for me because her existence make a big impact in many lives, including mine. She have been an inspiration for me, and I have told this to you all like a million times now. But yes, she is an inspiration for me in many ways. She have helped me and also have taught me to be kind towards others, except her. But she is a very great person. Other than her art, what I like about her is she is very generous. And so, to celebrate her special day, we are going to make our own very favorite dish, that is Oreo cake. I love it. I mean, we both love it. She found it, or I did, I don't remember. But we made it last year on the day of Mother's Day, or maybe our mummy's birthday.
The same time when I melted the container.
His birthday. I don't really remember that well, but yeah, it turned out very well, and we enjoyed the whole cake. It was yum. So good. So we are going to try the same recipe today, and this time we will show it to you. What different? Oh yeah, there will be one addition to it which we did not do the last time. So we are going to do that. You will see it at the end of this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first step is to grind these Oreo biscuits in the mixie, and we are using 3 packets of these 30 rupees Oreos. So let's do this. So the grinding process is already done, and we have started mixing the milk. I'm not mixing all the milk at once. I will be slowly adding this whatever this is called, one by one, and then I will go on mixing it.
I will heat the empty oven for 3 minutes. I will be baking it at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then go for another round of 10 minutes. I'm doing it in 2 rounds because I have a history of burning things. Insert a fork or a toothpick to check if it is done or not. If there's no residue, then you're fine. It is time to reveal the addition. Well, we are using Milky Bar as the frosting for the cake. To melt the chocolate, do not put it directly onto the stove. First take a different container with water in it. Then put the container of chocolate on it with a little bit of milk so that it is spreadable.
It's done, and now we are just waiting for it to freeze completely and set. So we have finally done it, guys. It is complete and it is so gorgeous. I am totally in love with it and I am very excited. We both are very excited to try it. I mean, of course it looks gorgeous, but what if it doesn't taste well? So that is something we have to find out. So let's start this celebration. Happy birthday, Selena Gomez, and keep inspiring more people like me. Wait. Oh. It is good. It turned out really nice. So let us ask our parents to taste it and see what they feel about it. खेले ही ना
না স্পঞ্জি স্পঞ্জি
দেখো ভালো তুমি কামড়াচ্ছ খেতে দাও
একদম নরম নরম।
One out.
টেন
भाभी के दी
No kidding, it was really delicious. We loved it. It was out of my expectations. Have fun making it at home. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.